In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Design. To get started, open Claude in your web browser or in the app, then sign into your account. Once you're in, start a new chat so you can give Claude a fresh design request with clear context from the beginning. Now describe the design you want to create. This could be a website, a landing page, a dashboard, or a mobile app. The more specific you are, the better your result will usually be. Include useful details like your preferred colors, the layout style you want, any branding direction, and who the target audience is. After that, ask Claude to generate a design concept for you. When Claude responds, take a moment to review the design suggestions carefully. At this stage, you're looking for overall direction, not perfection. If you need a stronger foundation, ask for wireframes or a page structure. This helps organize the content and gives you a clearer view of how the experience should flow before moving into visual details. Next, ask Claude to create a more detailed UI and UX layout. This is where the design becomes more practical and polished. If something doesn't feel right, refine the result by giving feedback and asking for revisions. You can mention what you want changed, what should stay, and what needs to feel more modern, simpler, or more aligned with your goals. You can also request specific interface elements such as headers, buttons, forms, or navigation menus. If you need text for the design, ask Claude to generate design copy and content as well. This can be especially helpful when you want the layout and messaging to feel consistent. As you review the output, pay attention to spacing, typography, and visual hierarchy recommendations. These details make a big difference in how professional and easy to use the design feels. You should also request responsive design suggestions for both mobile and desktop, so your layout works well across different screen sizes. If needed, ask Claude to generate front-end code such as HTML, CSS, React, or another format that fits your workflow. Once the assets or code are ready, copy what Claude generated and implement it in your preferred website builder or development platform. After that, test the design across different screen sizes to make sure everything looks and functions correctly. If you notice issues or want to improve anything further, return to Claude and continue refining the design. Once you're happy with the final result, go ahead and publish or launch your finished design.